Assalamualaikum and a good day. My name is Asma Husna binti Anwar S70831, and this video demonstrates my ACT3523 Advanced Accounting Information System for individual assignment on developing payroll system using AI tools and Microsoft project. In this assignment, I will show the complete workflow from generating a work breakdown structure using Gemini, exporting to the Google Sheet, and creating project schedule using Microsoft Project. In phase 1, I'm using Gemini AI and Interact provided prompt to create a detailed work breakdown structure for a payroll system. Okay, from the prompt 1, I need to copy this prompt and then paste here. I need to copy this prompt and then paste here. Upload. Okay, here is the work breakdown WBS for the payroll system structure around Marshall Romney 5 SDLC phase and contained to exactly 12 activity. This generated WBS contain 12 activity with information including WBS ID, SDLC phase, description, start date, duration, and predecessors. Okay, first I need to export because here don't have directly export to the sheet. I want to copy this and then paste here and recheck again that was the date are aligned or not. Right. Okay, here payroll system Google Sheet. I need to open this. So I will check that all activity were properly formatted and to ensure that task dependency and date were logical. So here we have WBS, SDLC phase. We have three sub tasks on physical design and 2 subtasks on implementation. So we need to, for the started date from 8 June 2026, it start from Monday, it was aligned. So go back to the Gemini and then go to the need to generate the Gantt chart. I need to copy this prompt too to generate the Gantt chart and then paste here. So here the Gantt chart display the project timeline and use different color to represent each SDLC phase. The Gantt chart also highlight the parallel activity in the physical design phase and the implementation phase through overlapping taskbar. Okay, next move to the generate to project network diagram. This prompt also provided. I need to copy here and then paste. So here we can see the network diagram visualize each activity as a node connected by arrow. And the diagram clearly illustrates the fan out and fan in structure required for parallel activity and demonstrate how tasks are interconnected throughout the project lifecycle. Okay, that's all from Gemini. We move to the Microsoft project. Okay, let's start on Microsoft project. Now I'm going to replicate the same WBS in a Microsoft project. Before that, I will show the WBS generated by Gemini in the Microsoft Excel. So here, the generated by Gemini in Microsoft Excel. We have WBS ID, SDLC phase, description, start date, duration, and predecessors. Next, so we go back on Microsoft project. So here, we need to click the new from Excel workbook and then search for Excel workbook. Take the Excel we have saved before this. Next, click next, and then click on task, click next. So here we choose the sheet 1 and this in Microsoft project field is not mapped. It's not mapped, so we need to write this on ID and SDR on WBS successor. Description is name. The start is start. Duration. Predecessor, WBS predecessor. So we click next and then finish. So here we need to check which the Excel is like the similar or not, and also in predecessor on Microsoft project have no data here. We need to get in manually. So here we need to duplicate with this. On requirement gathering, we start on 8 June until 5 day. Duration date is 5. Yes. So we see at duration date 5577 5633 32 and 30. On started date 50 22 22 22 1 11 6 9 7 30. Okay, on predecessor we need to get in here. First is none, so just leave the blank. So second is 1, so we need to click 1. And then the 3 is 2, 1, 2. Here. So on 4 database schema 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 3 also. Stick to again on user, step 2. On code and logic 2. We have 4 of 2. So next in core implementation. Core implementation here is a parents activity. So here, this the parent activity we should leave blank. And left blank. So here also parents, and this sub parents, subtask on software installation 3.1 here 1 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. So we should click on 4 here. And this 4. And this on legacy data. Legacy data we should need take on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 and 9 here. Eight and 9, sorry. So this 10 and this 11. Okay, done for this predecessor. Next we move to the Gantt chart again. Now this Microsoft project automatically generate the Gantt chart and network diagram based on information entered. To see the critical path, we need to click on Gantt chart format and then click on critical task. So here we can see this, the red one is a critical path. And then to see the duration, we need to click format, bus type, and then search on critical. So click on text and then resource on name, we need to change which duration. So click OK. So here we can see that the red line presents the critical path. The critical path is the longest sequence of activity that determine the minimum time required to complete the project. Any delay on this activity will directly delay the entire project. So next, we go to the task and then choose this Gantt chart, choose network diagram. So here, this network diagram. On this network diagram, we want to see the critical paths. We need to click on network diagram format, bus type, and then choose the critical path. The critical show that the pink color. So here the pink color is the critical path. Click OK. And then see this. So this network diagram illustrate the logical flow of activity for the payroll system project. Each node represents an activity, while the arrow indicate the dependency relationship between activities. Now we can see the fan out and fan out structure in the physical design phase where the project split into 3 parallel tasks. This activity can be performed simultaneously, which improves project efficiency. So the critical path is the longest path from the start node to the finish node here. An activity on this path have zero float, mean any delay on this activity will directly delay the project completion date. So let us look at the final side-by-side comparison. So here we can see this. So let's see on Gantt chart first. So this the Gantt chart on Microsoft Project and this Gantt chart on Gemini. So here we can see first requirement gathering to the longest one is the ongoing maintenance support. Is it take 30 days? Same with Gantt chart on Microsoft Project. Next, we go to the network diagram. Here is network diagram on project on Microsoft Project is here on Gemini. So here we can see that the requirement gathering feasibility system go to the 2 point, go to the high level system architecture. This is the go to the conceptual design, and then is go to fan out on physical design, and then go to the software installer and end user, same with this, and then go to the data migration. Data migration is data conversion and migration. So, and then go to go live review, system go live, and end with ongoing system maintenance help desk is ongoing support. That's all for me. Thank you.